Testing 1, 2, 3. I hope y'all can hear me. So, trying out something new. I got like this new gimbal for the phone. Oh, so I can like control it with the right here, right? So we gonna do top 5, maybe like 7 mods that I have on the bike, right? It's whatever I like feel like made the bike different, enhanced it better, you know, looks, feels, all that. All right, let's do it. Number 1, the obvious, right? Oh, look at him. The obvious V cycle nut tune. Okay, if you get this bike, you're gonna want to get a tune. Go to V cycle nut. He's like the main guy. He's done so many MT09s. You know, the CP3 is like his thing. So it's really easy. You send your stuff out, right? Take out the ECU, send it to him. Free shipping. Well, actually, no, not free shipping. My bad. You pay for the shipping. Sorry. And then it was shipped back free for you. That's what I meant. Number 2, to pair it with that is to get an exhaust. It's gonna be quite a quick video, just cause, I mean, I'm just gonna make it quick, that's why. I am running a Kelpie Shorty exhaust, the black. There is a silver one too. Or you know, stainless steel, whatever. My bad. Why did I say silver? Get yourself an exhaust. Once you get that tune, you want to get an exhaust, because nothing bad about the stock exhaust. It's just, you know, this just sounds way better, right? Okay, so you want to do that. And it's gonna feel so much better. You're gonna feel the power. You're gonna hear the power too, you know. And it's gonna. Whoo. Number 3, I recommend a seat. Okay, the seats maybe on your 25 and up is a little better, but on the 22, right, there is just no cushion. It's just a hard rock seat. So that's why I'm rocking a Kelpie custom seat as well. So it's like the ribbed, and they put like gel inserts. They ask for your weight, height, all that. Not really height, more of weight. All right, number 4 on the list. Gotta be the tail tidy, man. It just makes the bike look so much better. A lot of you, everybody that, you know, first gets this bike is gonna do that, right? Or any bike, because the tail tidy just cleans it up. I got mine from TST Industries, so it comes with like the closeout and the hidden, you know, more tucked license plate holder. So that's mine. And then, you know, a lot of my stuff is TST Industries. If you need like a mods list, I got like a bunch. Oh my goodness. Justin, pick up your freaking weights. My brothers, bro. If you're strong enough to bring the weights out, you are strong enough to bring it back in. I almost killed myself, rolled my ankle. Anywho. So yeah. Get a tail tidy. That's gonna look real clean. Kind of never thought I would say this, but dude, look at this guy. You okay? He's like, I hate when you do videos because you don't pay attention to me at all. Sorry, man. Anywho, never knew I would say this, but the windscreen, you know, the wind protector, the windscreen, yeah, the the SW Motec windscreen. It just made the bike look, I don't know, I like it, man. It looks really aggressive, you know, it fills out with this is an honorable mention, my headlight guard, right? It just makes it look nice, man. I love it. Another honorable mention that you don't really need, but the stabilizer, yeah. Any other mods that's like must have? I'm feeling like that's like the top 5 that you really need, you know. Actually, another honorable mention right here, some mirrors. You don't have to get these necessarily. These are from Double Take Trail. These are your Double Take trail mirrors, okay? To be honest, I would love to go back to the bar end mirrors, but I already have these, you know, Rizoma bar ends, and I kind of like them. So it's clean with this, and I like that look. Nice, right? And I'm using my phone today, so that's why it's a little bit better lighting, right? As you can see with everything. With the GoPro, you got trash lighting. See, with this, you can really see the cuts of the bike, you know. So yeah, tune, exhaust, seat, cowl, the windscreen, right? And what else did I say? What was the other one? I completely blanked out. Oh yeah, the tail tidy. My bad. Yeah, the tail tidy, right? And then your honorable mentions. See, honorable mentions would definitely be your mirrors, okay? The stabilizer up front. I get a lot of comments with these. They're called the side carders from Urbani Bruni. Oh no, Urbani Bruno, Faster Sons side carders. Okay, I get a lot of comments about that. And then I guess like once I get them, top 5 mods would probably change. I probably have to squeeze in like the tires because, you know, I'm thinking about getting the Michelin Road 6s. So that's one thing right there, you know. That's a great mod. You need tires. So yeah, everybody, hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Let me know what type of videos you want to see. Or if you just liking my flow already.